Okay, I have no idea how this is going to come out recording wise. I'm in my ARB awning room. It's about 2:30 in the morning. We got like 50 to 65 mile an hour gust. Second time I'm going through this storm like this with this ARB awning with the deluxe room. And I didn't get to record it last time, so I'm going to try to get some footage this time. So I made it back in for a little bit. Every time I get a big, huge, giant gust, which is almost every 5-10 minutes, I go out, I'll check the awning in the room. I don't know if you can see my keys hanging. It's a little, right there. See how they're shaking? Yeah. That's how much wind we're getting. I turned my camper in a different direction than I was last week when we had same type of storm that came through, and that was because the wind blew so strong. The ARB awning and the room actually worked as a sail and slid my my little camper here right off its blocks. I didn't know I was getting these kind of winds tonight. I knew we had some storms coming in, but I didn't know we were getting these. It still doesn't even call for it. I keep looking on my weather app. It says high of 25 mile an hour winds. That's no way. These are 50 to 65 mile an hour gusts, easy. This right here, see the hole? There's two doors like this. You have zippers that go that way, and you can, then it goes up. And you can open up this whole room. It's pretty nice when it's not windy as heck like it is now. But as you can see the hole there, when it gets really windy, those two bottom, on the left and the right, those zippers, they start spreading, and it happens on the other side too. The other side I have tied down with bread ties. This one here, I'm gonna have to come up with something because sometimes if you want to get in and out. It's a pain in the butt undoing the bread ties. But you can see how that gust of wind right there just hit it. Tight. So, yep, this is what I'm going through. These Velcro straps here keep coming loose. The arms did come loose. I had to tighten those down. Oh wait, I just got some rain coming in on me. There's the moon. Oh, I can't see. So I can't wait to get out of Nevada. Man. Get back inside. So I just found out I do have a flashlight thing on my camera here. And I'm not going to jinx it, but it's not as bad as it was. This is actually the back door to this. So I'm just sitting in here with the buddy heater. I've went ahead and I put some a 6-gallon water jug in that corner. I have another water jug in that corner. And back over here behind me, just I have a chair and a whole bunch of stuff kind of weighing it down. My boxes that are usually up top, they're in here helping keep the floor down. And if I hadn't done that, which I learned from the last storm, the bottom of this room starts to float, and it moves. So you do have to weigh it down, and you really need to anchor it down when you put it together. I have no idea how this footage is going to come out with everything. Hope it comes out well. Another shot at the door that goes to the cabin I was telling you about. Now that there's some light, and I can show you the design flaw of these zippers. I just secured them again, and as you can see, there's an opening. Okay, and it just keeps working its way open. And the only thing I found to fix that is bread ties. Oh, there's a good shot of that. Oh. You can see the dust flying in here. Alright, so I'm starting to get some rain. I did call for some snow. These Velcro straps are the ones I keep having to come out and check. So far we're okay here. My guidelines are looking pretty good. Right now I'm still mooch docking over at my buddy Rocky's house. Just for the next few days before we get back on the road. Guidelines are good over here. Velcro looking good. I'm gonna have to bring one of the corners down so the water doesn't collect. And then what you want to do is make sure everything is staked into the ground. Hold on. Good there. Get this going here. Okay, that one is staked. Hold on. Yep, okay. No, staked in. Staked in. And there. So, yep, my night from hell. Now, one thing I can say is the buddy heater is definitely working pretty good. Just keeping it toasty in here. This is definitely a long night. Well, buddy heater's going well. Definitely got some rain coming. It's hitting on the top. I don't need to drop the corner yet because the wind is blowing that canopy hard enough. It's just knocking the rain right off the top of the canopy. Just checked the Velcros all the way around. Good to go. Of course, that zipper keeps opening up on me. I'm getting all kinds of extra dust. I mean, this is a bag of garbage. I need to take that out. That makes me look like a slob. But I got to take that out tomorrow. But you're seeing how much it's moving. It was pretty bad earlier. I mean, it was a straight brownout when I took the camera out before. My eyes got filled with dust. I should have put some goggles on. I should have known better considering, you know, in Iraq and Afghanistan. I mean, and I've been living in the desert for a long time. But so far, ARB awning. I'm gonna give it one of these. Kind of a, instead of two thumbs up, we got a thumbs up and a thumb on the side. We just got to figure out something with the zippers. And I keep talking about the dang Velcro, man. Yep. If you didn't know, I'm in Stagecoach, Nevada. I'm currently mooch docking at my buddy Rock Hyatt's house. And just for a bit, just so I can get some of my appointments taken care of, check on my son, and then Mrs. Nomad Mac and I will be on the road. Heading towards Great Basin, through Utah, and down through northern New Mexico. Hopefully maybe get to see Taos, but we're going to work our way to Rio Rancho for Thanksgiving before we head out to Fort Site. If anything major happens, I'll try to get video of this. But I've only seen one other ARB video like this in a storm. that's why I felt like it was important to at least get this video, since I'm going to be awake anyway. I do want to apologize for the camera work. I want to apologize for the lighting. And I want to apologize if I'm rambling a little bit, but I just woke up, man. I really did. I mean, I finally had like an hour or two of good sleep, and then bam, camper was shaking like crazy. Well, here it comes. All right. Thanks.